Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do I make my Wix site fit all in screen sizes. Now on your Wix editor, click on the mobile icon. It looks like a smartphone up here, located at the top of your screen. Now your site will switch to mobile view. Now you must review the layout to see how elements appear on a smaller screens. Additionally, when adding new elements such as text boxes, images, and many other elements, use containers or grids instead of fixed size elements. Now to add a container, click on the Add Plus button in the left sidebar and then select Box or Strip and then drag it onto your page. Select the container and resize it to ensure it fits well in the mobile view of your website. You can also modify your text. Now select any text element and then click on Edit Text and adjust the font size specifically for mobile by selecting the mobile view and setting a size that is readable to your website. And then when adding an image, click on the image element and ensure Resize to Fit is checked in the settings, and then adjust the image size by dragging the corners to ensure it fits well within the mobile layout. And then after doing all that, just make sure to test and preview your website. You can test your site to different devices such as smartphones, tablets, desktops to ensure elements are correctly aligned and readable. And then that's it guys. I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.